Yesterday, we carried a story of classic microfinance, which was booming. Well, another mechanism of microfinancing, community banking, is also seeing booming times. Cooperative credit societies, which have come to the fore as large private banks are getting into the shell, shunning customers due to lack of liquidity or fear of defaults, are seeing a good time these days with their trust-based lending. Let's hear more on this story by Ragini Verma.
In times when money is hard to come by, your best chance to find a lending hand may be in your own neighborhood. As large private banks start to turn away customers for lack of money or fear of defaults, it's small cooperative credit societies that could come to the rescue. Here in this central Mumbai locality, Sri Sai the Cooperative Credit Society is one such lender, where loans, even housing and two-wheeler loans, are easy to come by and loan rates have remained stable.
बाहर के रेट बढ़ रहे हैं, अब हम लोग के यहाँ स्टेबल है, वैसे ही वैसा 13% वैसे ही है। बैंक में भी 13 से ज़्यादा रेट है, 14% है, कोई नेशनल बैंक का या कमर्शियल बैंक का भी ज़्यादा रेट है, लेकिन हम लोग के यहाँ वैसे ही स्टेबल रेट है।
Sri Sai the Credit Society is just one of more than 2,000 credit societies across the country. 79% of these are located in southern and western states. Like every other bank, cooperative credit societies too are subject to changes in RBI regulations. But with a steady and loyal client base and limited access to outside markets, these credit societies are a lot less vulnerable to today's uncertainties. Lending decisions here at Sri Sai Dutt and most other cooperatives are taken simply with no complicated computer models to assess risk. It's these handful of society leaders who decide when and how much money is lent. For customers, it is this trust-based lending and the lack of complicated paperwork which keeps bringing them back.
हाँ, यहाँ पे आसानी है क्योंकि एक पेमेंट स्लिप देना है और एक मतलब जामीनदार देना है, ऐसा इसमें होता है।
ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं होता यहाँ अकाउंट खोलना, लोन भी ज़्यादा आसानी से मिलता है।
हाँ, आसानी से मिल जाता है। दूसरे बैंक के हिसाब से तो ये आसानी से मिल जाता है।
There is no doubt that credit societies have their own set of problems. With little access to real capital, large-scale lending and expansion have never become a reality. At a time when larger banks are becoming reluctant lenders, it's small neighborhood lending societies such as this one that may emerge as a true people bank. In Mumbai, Ragini Verma for NDTV.